everybody, and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I would like to talk about the best tabletop surface to use when working with air dry clay, cold porcelain clay, and polymer clay. Now, I personally use a dining room table which has a nice wood surface on it, and in order to protect my kitchen table or dining room table from paint, baby oil, food coloring, nail polish, water, lemon juice, face cream, Vaseline, etc. What I use personally is I use a glass tabletop surface. It's a cutting board, and underneath the cutting board I put a ruler. So I have a ruler and I also have a template. This glass cutting board will protect my surface from all of my liquids, and it also prevents polymer clay like Fimo from eating through the varnish on your tabletop. Now I also use a tile, and the tile I can put things on there to dry, and I can also bake it in the oven if I choose to. And the reason I also use a glass tabletop is because it makes cleanup so much easier. When you're using wet glue, and the air dry clay tends to dry in air, and you have to clean up your tabletop, so I use my trusty little flat razor blade, and it makes cleanup a lot easier. So, well, I hope that gives you a tip on the best tabletop surface to use when working with air dry clay, cold porcelain clay, and polymer clay. So I recommend buying a glass tabletop surface cutting board. Well, I hope that helps. Give me a like on my video and a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be putting videos out on a regular basis, so give me a thumbs up and comment if you'd like. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.